Hey everyone, if you're getting the trading not available error, this message appears when the trading is temporarily restricted. Here's how to fix them. First of all, check if the market is currently open or not. Then confirm your account is fully verified. To verify your account, I've made a different video. You can go and watch that account to verify your account because trading is only available once you verify your account. Then you're going to review the regional trading restrictions and then swipe up from the bottom of your screen. Look for the eToro trading app, swipe it away. Next, head over to your app store, search for the app, and then make sure to update it. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so make sure to update your app to the latest version. Once requirements are met, trading access is restored, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.